Pacific, which was like 11:30. um, but I'm glad I did, cause look at this absolute chop, range fist, search and destroy, dude. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and finally we make the freaking move all the way here at 1:30 in the PM session. All right. However, since I woke up late, I wasn't looking to take a trade. I told myself I already missed the AM session, and it was better off to just wait for either PM or wait for tomorrow. But I ended up taking this long here, and the reason why I was looking, I didn't really get my analysis going till 8:30 in the morning since I did wake up late. Some days I will mark the day beforehand, to have my levels sought out and more an idea what to look for. But I like doing it the morning of. I don't know. I feel like it gets my brain warmed up for the trading day. But anyways, um, we had a new day opening gap here that ended up getting filled during London session. We had the London low here. There's Asia low, all right, and we did have this inverse fair value gap that I wanted to see us get tested. Excuse ads. Um, remember how I said I wanted to see a retracement back here once this created this inverse fair value gap, right? I did wanted to see price return back to that 1 hour inverse fair value gap and see it respected, and it looked like it was up into here, right? Comes hits a consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. I know you see this long wick, but just ignore it. Because I looked on the other charts and it wasn't really showing, so I don't know what this was. So I'm going off of this high here that hit the constant encroachment and respect it. So yesterday's session, right? We respected that inverse fair value gap that I wanted to see tested, right? And it created this 15-minute fair value gap back here. So since we disrespected this 4 hour, look, since we disrespected this 4 hour gap here, right? And price respected the inverse fair value gap. I know I'm saying a lot of trading terms, but I just hope you're keeping along. But anyways, here was that 4 hour fair value gap, right? That was prior to this inverse fair value gap. So if this was still bearish order flow, we would have had a move today, right? But clearly it respected this 4 hour fair value gap zone, and looks like we're heading to all-time highs all over again. I feel like I just yapped. It sounded like I yapped, but not a lot of nonsense, but I promise. It's very, very necessary to say all these things because you want to get it imprinted into your brain as long as possible. But anyways, woke up late, right? Sat through. I saw that it was nothing but freaking chop fest. So I'm kind of glad that I woke up late, right? And I saw here that we took the London lows finally, right? After it filled end dog and taking out the London high here, right? Came down, took out the London lows. But then I saw it came up, took out the highs once again, and then what did it do? All the way back down to the AM lows here. But we did have this Asia low back here, and I saw that it almost hit it, but there was a SMT here with the NASDAQ and ES. So that's where I decided to base my trade off of. I entered once we got this retracement here, saw at that low, targeting this high, the low hanging fruit. But remember that 15-minute fair value gap that we had back here? Right, I wanted to see that get filled and tested, and what it do? It get inverse. So looks like we're heading to all-time highs once again. But I mean, like, dude, we've been just. I thought we were finally gonna get a retracement, but we just been freaking ripping almost 200 points on SPY. So yeah, that's it from me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We take a trade. If not, I won't. But we do have NFP Friday since it is October, so that should be fun. But okay, thank you guys for watching. Like always, stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.